Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to use WhatsApp disappearing messages. Here are the steps to use WhatsApp disappearing messages on an Android phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the WhatsApp app. Go to the Chats tab. Open the chat or group where you want to enable disappearing messages. Tap the contact or group name at the top to open chat info. Scroll down and tap disappearing messages. If it's your first time, tap continue. Choose a timer duration for messages to disappear. For example, 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Tap OK, confirm, or going back to enable. A message will appear in the chat confirming that disappearing messages are on. For groups, only admins can enable this feature. Once enabled, any new messages will automatically disappear after the selected time. Note that MIDI files might stay on the recipient's device if saved. To turn off, go back to disappearing messages and select off. Repeat the steps for any other chats where you want disappearing message active. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.